We've left Galaxy's Edge and we're at Epcot. We're actually at the UK Pavilion right now, and although today is the first day of the Food and Wine Festival, we're not here to sample all the foods. We're here for a special character meet and greet that's only for annual pass holders with one of Milani's favorite characters. Today we have a special chance to meet Winnie the Pooh in a special location. He's actually in Christopher Robin's room here in the UK Pavilion at Epcot. Bye, Pooh. Thank you. See you later. So we're at the KitKat Fun Stop, and Milani has decided that she is going to color a postcard.
What do you think of it so far, guys?
I think you're doing a great job. Is that Daisy or
It's
Donald,
Daisy, and this is...
Goofy?
Yep.
Okay. Great job, Milani. So today's the first day of the Food and Wine Festival, and we're gonna go and try and find something that we had last year, which was the crab cakes. We made it to Coastal Eats here at Epcot at the Food and Wine Festival, and we got crab cake, and we got the scallops and shrimp scampi dip, and we're gonna eat it right now. So we ate the crab cakes and the shrimp and scallop scampi, and they were both excellent. Highly recommended. We've made it to the seas with Nemo and friends because Milani really wanted to go on it, and we were able to get a fast pass, so there's no wait.
Mine!
Okay, Daddy, we found the seashell.
Yay!
Golden seashell is
Golden
now
seashell.
found. Okay, clown. We've never been on this before, Daddy.
I think we did one time, didn't we?
We did it. We never done it.
Really?
Yeah.
I remember going on this when I was a kid when it wasn't Nemo.
What was it?
It was the Living Seas.
Oh, I thought you were going to say Honey, I Shrunk the Yachty.
our plan was to end the night at Galaxy's Edge, so we're back at Hollywood Studios, headed to Galaxy's Edge. Look how beautiful it is at night. Amazing. The crowd has really died down. So these your friends, Milani?
Yeah.
So what's their names?
I
You don't know. So here's our friend the Imperial Probe Droid. So there's two stories about that crash site on the path to Toy Story Land. The first story is that DJ Rex / Captain Rex crashed there. And the second story is that this Imperial Probe Droid crashed there. I'm not sure which one is true, but I think it makes more sense for it to be DJ Rex. I think that makes a lot more sense. Look at Kylo Ren's ship. Doesn't it look amazing at night? Look at that.
There is resistance activity here. Have you seen anything suspicious? Good day. Halt. We're looking for a resistance fugitive. Have you seen a Wookiee?
don't know.
Well, then we'll just keep an eye on you. All right, move on. Let's keep it. That's a no, citizen.
Sorry.
All right, proceed.
I don't think that works.
That is affirmative. Goodbye, citizen.
Go like that.
Good. Travelers with friends, do not worry. We can interrogate you together.
I think we're gonna go get something to eat at Docking Bay 7 before it closes.
Racing Moons, welcome.
Rising Moons?
I know just where it's set.
Good.
Follow me.
All right, following you.
After we got quick. I like these foods. Look really good.
And we got the Endorian Tip Yip. And Milani also got the Endorian Tip Yip. And we've got silverware.
It's cute.
And we're gonna eat it right now. So I give a thumbs up for the Endorian Tip Yip. Milani ate it. It also comes with mac and cheese. She usually likes mac and cheese, but for some reason she doesn't like the mac and cheese here. It might just be because she's tired and she wants to go back to the hotel. It is pretty late for her. But that's gonna pretty much do it for us from Galaxy's Edge grand opening. We had a great time. I got sunburn on the top of my head and on my face, but it was all worth it. The only thing we didn't get to do was go on Smuggler's Run, but if you've seen our other video from the Passholder preview, you can see us go on the Smuggler's Run in that video. So that's it for us from Galaxy's Edge. See you next time.